Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing my recent purchase from Cleef Arpels, and I'm so excited to open it with you. This jewelry piece has been on my wishlist for a while, and I'm so happy that it's finally mine. I will also show to you some items that are on my wishlist from Alhambra collection, and I'm currently obsessed with them. And I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. Please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. And of course I have my assistant here. She seems to be obsessed with that champagne bottle. My lovely sales associate gave me these candies. I just love these ones. The chocolate is so good. And also the bottle is here. My essay is so sweet. And of course there is also a certificate of authenticity. It always comes with every Van Cleef purchase. And this is a dust bag. It's so important, especially when traveling. I love Van Cleef Arpels packaging. I just know that I'll be wearing this jewelry item just literally non-stop. And I know that the cost per wear will be very low as well. This is my wishlist item, and I also previously posted a wishlist video. I will link it down for you in case you want to check it out. Here it is, a Diamond Alhambra in yellow gold. I featured it in several of my videos. I'll also try to find them and link all of them in the description box below. In some videos I tried it on in a rose gold. All of them are stunning, but the yellow gold suits my skin tone the most. I am so glad that I finally have this pendant in my collection, and I can finally make the set because I have the matching earrings. Of course, eventually I would love to add some other pieces from this collection. Diamond Alhambra, it's so stunning. It's also most durable, and that's why I love it. It shines so beautiful in a different light. I'll show to you as well. It's absolutely stunning. And I will also show to you what other items are on my wish list from this collection. This is my first pendant. It took me some time to get it because in the past I was solely obsessed with the 10 motif necklaces. Of course I still love them, but it's nice to have an option. This pendant has two different lengths, which is so cool. It makes it easier to adjust it for different outfits. I love this look. And of course my absolute favorite way to wear it is the shorter length. This one looks just perfect with different necklines. I have lots of sweaters and I know that this pendant is going to look amazing with them. And that's why I had to add it to my collection. This pendant is so elegant and classy. It's so feminine and it's perfect for different occasions as well, and I'm planning to wear it on a daily basis. I'm not even planning to take it off. And I know that the cost per wear for it is going to be super low because of that. I decided to check how it would look with my 10 motif necklace, and it looks quite nice actually. I can pair it like that as well from time to time, and I think it would look amazing with the Guilloché necklace because it's so beautiful as well. And I think maybe in the future I'll get another pendant to just stack two of them together. They have two lengths and they're gonna look so amazing together, stacked side by side. I just love Alhambra collection so much. I never get tired of it. It's just my favorite and it's so classic. And now I feel like the diamond collection is becoming my favorite, and it all started with the earrings because I got them first last year and I have been wearing them so often. I just love the sparkle. They are so perfect for various occasions. They go with so many outfits. They match everything. And I get lots of compliments whenever I wear them. I love them so much that I might even add a pair in a white gold eventually. I have to say, typically white gold does not really suit me that much, but in this exact style with the diamonds in the middle, it looks so gorgeous. I just love them so much. I need to have them in my collection as well. And by the way guys, I previously posted a video where I compared the Diamond Alhambra with Guilloché. I'll link it down for you in case you want to check it out. Also on my wish list, I have a 5 motif bracelet. This one is with guilloche and a diamond. It's so stunning. And I love that ring. All of them are so beautiful together and they look so good with my Katia Love bracelet. So flattering. I will also show to you the ring up close. It's so pretty. It's in a rose gold though, but I just still wanted to show it to you. It's really pretty. I think it's a must to have in my collection. Of course, I would love to add it in a yellow gold to match the rest of my jewelry. It's so sparkly. The Diamond Alhambra is so beautiful. I just can't get enough of it. The only thing is I would need to make up my mind on which hand and which finger I would like to wear the ring, because the size is obviously different. And it's not so easy to get the size as well. I remember when I was getting my free wall ring, it was not easy with this size. So yeah, I would need to make up my mind, that's for sure. By the way, here I'm trying on the ring with the bracelet as well. I'll show to you the bracelet. I just wanted to check the type of the gold side by side, the yellow gold and the rose gold. Just look at this full diamond 5 motif Alhambra bracelet. How beautiful it is. It's just breathtaking. I love the sparkle. This combination is so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. And by the way guys, I have recently posted the shopping vlog where I also featured this bracelet. I'll link it down in the description box below in case you want to check it out. Both of these jewelry pieces are just a dream. It's the second time I'm seeing this bracelet because usually it's not available. I don't think it comes to the store very often. At least I have not seen it over the years. The first time I discovered it for myself was at VCA exhibition event. I actually posted a video about it. I'll try to find it and link it for you in case you want to check it out. The first time I saw it, I was like, oh wow, it's so beautiful. I had no idea they had the full diamond bracelet. It's so pretty. And of course, the ultimate favorite is the 10 motif necklace, which is so beautiful. Unfortunately, the store did not have it in a yellow gold, but I got to try it on in a white gold and it's so stunning. I just love the sparkle. Van Cleef diamonds are just the best. No other jewelry brand can quite compare with it. 10 motif necklaces are so comfortable. I love mine. And by the way guys, I also previously reviewed 10 motif necklaces. I'll link down the video in case you want to have a look. I could literally wear this one all the time. And of course, it's so much more durable because it's just full diamonds. So pretty. How not to love this stunning jewelry? Tell me. That's why I have been so obsessed. I was hoping that my wish list will be completed soon, but I keep adding such stunning pieces. I'm just so in love with it. I can't stop thinking about them. 3 types of gold with diamonds. All are so stunning. Again, the ring is in a rose gold, the necklace is in a white gold, and the bracelet is in a yellow gold. By the way guys, which one of these types of the gold is your favorite? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm always curious to read your responses. And also please let me know which one of these 3 jewelry pieces is your favorite. Well, for me it has to be the 5 motif bracelet, but I love them all. Also, my lovely SA brought to me this in between the fingers ring, which is so cute. I have quite a few white mother of pearl jewelry pieces, but for some reason I don't have any single ring, and this one is absolutely beautiful. It would look just fantastic with my 16 motif necklace and also with my magic earrings, and even with the 2 motif earrings. I love the white mother of pearl, it's so beautiful. By the way guys, I have previously posted a review video of mother of pearl stone. I will link it down for you in case you want to check it out. Here is the ring in the onyx and the gray mother of pearl. It would match so well my onyx jewelry. I also reviewed this stone. I will also add the link to the video for you in case you want to have a look. Anyways guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching and I hope that you liked this vlog and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!